This is a CF19 Mark 7 webcam or camera replacement. Start by shutting your computer off, removing the battery if you've not done so already, and then remove the bottom plate. Start by removing all the screws, and then you can just carefully lift the bottom plate off. Keep in mind, you cannot add a webcam to a non-webcam unit. If your unit does not have the camera already, you cannot add it. The motherboard is different for the units with the cameras than the units without. It has one less RAM slot, and it has an extra connector for the webcam. So if you don't have a camera unit already, you cannot add it, not without replacing the motherboard as well. Once you have the screws off, just go ahead and lift the bottom cover off. Set it to the side. There's 4 screws you have to remove. The one at the top of the battery connector, and then the 3 that hold down the SD card board in place. You do not actually have to remove the SD card board, you just need to have it loose. 2 of the screws that hold the SD card board in place hold down the camera. Disconnect the camera, lift the board up slightly, and you can slide it out from underneath of it. If it makes it easier for you, you can remove the SD card, but you don't need to. Then get your replacement, slide it underneath, put it in a position, and then screw it back down and reconnect the cable. Once that's done, go ahead and put your bottom plate back on, screw it back in place. Once you finish putting all the screws back in the bottom plate, you're all done with the repair. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com. Or you can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788. Again, this was a CF19 Mark 7 webcam replacement. If you have any questions, just give us a call or send us an email.